remaining 4 faceplates are indigo. Yeah. Here is our number block. Oops. Number block 16. 36. Full of tricks. So 36 has pink step-shaped mask. That's because he's the 8th member of the step-shaped club. And there's his mouth, and here's our finish. Number block 36. Hello Numberblock fans! In today's video, we're going to explore the number blocks from the 4th times table from 4 to 40. This is continued from the 3 times table that I told you before. So alright, the first is our number block 4. So number block 4 has 4 green blocks. So 4, we need 4 green faceplates. Yeah, and he has square eyes and eyebrows too. That's because he is a square, 2nd member of the square club. There we go. Here's our 4 and our number block 4. Alright, so the next is our number block 8. So 8 has 8 blocks. So we need to build 8 just like before. Yeah, and 8 is made out of 2 lots of 4s. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. Yeah, he's an Octoblock. He's a superhero in every episode. And voila! There, here's our number block 8. 2 4s are 8. Next is 12. So 12 has 12 blocks, which is 10 white blocks and 2 orange blocks. So 12 is made out of 3 lots of 4s. 3 4s are 12. So 12 also is a super rectangle because she makes super rectangle all day, and she can make so many rectangles to arrange her rays. So we need 2 faceplates, 1 orange faceplate for her eye and eyebrows, and 1 white faceplate for her mouth. So here's our number block 12, and don't forget the numbering 12. Okay, so the next is 16. 16 is made of 10 white blocks and 6 indigo blocks. So we need to build 16 into like this. 4 by 4 square. Yeah, that's because she's the 4th member of the square club. 4 4s are 16. Ta-da! She's the member of the square club, including 9, 4, and 1. Yeah. She loves to make square party and square dance. Okay, here is the 16. So we need 4 faceplates, 1 for her eyes, 2 for her eyes, 1 for her mouth, and 1 for her cheek. 4 faceplates are indigo. Yeah. Here is our number block. Oops. Number block 16. And the next is 20. So 20 has 20 blocks. So we build 20 just like before. We build into 2 by 10 rectangle formation. You can also use the old set or the Heroes with 0 set, but I like to use the Heroes with 0 set this time. Yeah, 20 is made out of 5 lots of 4s. 5 4s are 20. He's also the super rectangle club too because he can make so many rectangles, and also 20 loves to dance. 2 10s tango. Here's our 20. 20's bow tie, which is his accessory. And then here's the 20's faceplates. Yeah. You can also build into 4 by 5 rectangle formation. There. Here's our 20. And he also has an accessory top hat, numbering 20, just like others. Here's our 20. Alright, so the next is 24. So 24 has 20 light peach blocks and 4 green blocks. Alright, also 24 is made out of 6 lots of 4s or 4 lots of 6s. Yeah, well 24 is a super duper rectangle. She can make so many rectangles, even more than 12 and 18. Yeah, she makes all day and all night too. Well, one day has 24 hours. There are 12 hours of a day and 12 hours of the night. So you can also build 24 into 3 by 8 rectangle formation. There. but this is her command shape, so we build into like this, just like number block 24 into her usual command shape. So also we need two green faceplates, and she has longer rectangle eyes, more than 12 and 18. Here's our finish, 24. Okay, so the next is 28. So 28 has 20 light blocks and 8 pink blocks. Alright, so we build 28 into her command shape, which is the towers with windows. Yeah, it's like 3 by 11 but has 5 holes because one block gap to represent the window. Yeah, that's why she said tower with window shape. That sounds cool. But we build into 3 by 11, which is 33. Yeah, 33, and then we minus 5 equals to 28. We minus 1 gap and 1 no gap, and then 1 gap, and so on. Here. Like, there's a gap, there's a hole. Yeah, like, there are so many holes, but I don't know. Yeah, but anyway, she's also the member of the Made Out of 4 club. Yeah, she can switch into 7 lots of 4s or 4 lots of 7s. 7 4s are 28. Ta-da! Yeah, I have heard that Sprunky asked about the times table, that who's the real gray, and then the black asks what is 7 times 4. Yeah, that's it. And here's our 28, and then our 28 faceplate, and then 28 numbering, and here's our finish, 28. Alright, so the next is our 32. 32 has 30 light peach blocks, light yellow blocks, and 2 orange blocks. So 32 is made out of 8 lots of 4s or 4 lots of 8s. So we build just like 32's shape, which is 4 by 8 rectangle formation. Yeah, just like this. There. Here's our number block 32. So we need our number block 32's face sticker. So 32 has orange eyes, eyebrows, and a mouth, just to represent our number block 2, because we got 2 orange blocks in a whole 32 blocks. There. Here's our finish, 32. Okay, so the next is 36. So 36 has 30 light yellow blocks and 6 dark indigo blocks. Well, that's because 36 is made out of 30 and 6. But also, 36 is made out of 9 lots of 4s or 4 lots of 9s. Yeah. So, also, we can build into 6 by 6 square or also a step shape. That's because I want to make it more different. That's why I made a step shape. So, he's the 8th member of the step shape club. So, I build like this. Voila. Oh. And then here is our number block 36. 36, full of tricks. So 36 has pink step shape mask. That's because he's the 8th member of the step shape club. And there's his mouth, and here's our finish, number block 36. Okay, so the last is our number block 40. So number block 40 has 40 like green blocks. And he's also made out of 10 4s or 4 10s. That's why he has the face similar to number block 4. Well, 40 has his pet named Oblongi. Here's our 40 faceplate. And 40's numbering. And 40's pet named Oblongi. We need 2 brown blocks and then attach it, and here's our finish. 40! It's time to review, guys. 4, 8, Oh, the camera is a bit blurry. And 12. Go to this way. 16. Oh, the mouse falls. And 20. 24. Oh, anyways, 28. Oh, how should I put? Yeah, I should put there. 32. 36. Oh, his mouse fall. 36. And the last is our number block 40. And that was the end of today's video. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed Numberblock 4 times table. So if you like my videos, you can click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to see my more videos. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.